Hey, Mark. This is going to be a quick video today. So all I'm doing is a bit of inside work. I'll check in there in a minute. This is these tomatoes. I've got two trusses on there. There's a little thing growing. Get that out where it starts. Yeah, most of them have got two trusses on. So what I'm going to do now is give them a shot of seaweed. Just for giving them a bit of a feed. So I'll do one in the watering cans. There's one. I'll do one of them with a cup full of seaweed. Give that a Sandra yesterday, and I've got one here. Oh, blown up that. Fermenting. Yeah, 2 cups of that in one of them. I'll share it between just right bottom of these plants. Only a dabble each. Just give them a boost. That Epsom salts made them perk up on it. Look nice and green. Yeah. I'll trim them down a bit too. I'll trim some of these edges off here, just on these bottom ones, just on another bushy. Yeah, tomato care today, because it's absolutely pouring down. Good for the plants though, look at that. How green is my valley? I'll do greenhouse as well. Just think them pots need filling up, but I'll give them a feed. I'll give everything a feed today now. Looking grown up enough to have a drink. They're not 18, but who cares? Strap that up too, look at that. See? Oh, they'll start grabbing on its own now though. It should do with these tentacles. That's a cucumber, it should do its own thing. It won't grab your leaf like. There you go. Yeah, they'll just grow around and grab all them. Not need stake then. Yeah. I'll keep that trimmed down, same as tomato. Once cucumber comes on, I'll keep the side shoots down. Otherwise we'll have a mass of leaves all over there, we don't want that. Anyway, tomato food. Now, down at greenhouse. These lettuce looking bonny, aren't they? This great lamb needs trimming nearly every week now. So I've done this side. See it all? You just see a few leaves. Oh, there's one. These things. Yeah. This side, look at it. Full of them. Yeah. So I'll trim all them out. Got a couple of leaks in here, but all it is some of the glasses are slipped. Need pushing up. These are good clean out leaf anyway. I'll do this next dry day. We've got glass of cleaning. Slide all them glasses up. Yeah. These tomatoes are doing okay here. Slowly, slowly. Now they're all trimmed. There you go. All trimmed. No, it's not. Start off with one there. Look at that. There's always one that skirts you. Now it's all trimmed. Top as well. Where's that? There it is. You get another pin for that. Pin that up. And there's plenty of grapes on this one this year, isn't there? Plenty. Nice big bunches. get that brush and sweep up in here, and then go and get kettle on. It's a bit tidy, that man. There, that's few range clean. We're back in here. So I'm doing with these now. So I'm just taking, see all that green there? I'm just taking bottom leaves off, because I know I'm not going to get any tomatoes though. As long as I leave, where are a bottom leaf there, below my truss and all that. I've not done it with that one, but I'm not bothered, because that's a giant, I'm sure. It doesn't look that one though. But anyway, there's plenty of room for get loads more trusses on that. That'll be alright. We're supposed to leave a leaf underneath them, but on these there's no trusses there anyway. So I've just thinned them out there just for like some light underneath. Some translucent light. Let them do the photosynthesis. Plenty of room. See, before long they'll probably come off. But I'll leave them on for now, because they're looking good. So they've all had a good feed. They've all had a good feed. I've not watered them tomatoes. I'll give these a water, because if you look, I put my finger down, it's just about sticking down there, so it tells me they want to water. I just feel weight of these, that's okay, that's okay. Although it's wilted. Turn it that way, it'll turn to sun after. And two little ones in there, give them the water. I'll pot them up. Them black Russian, I think they're called. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, so I'll put some water in there. Done them. And then I'll go and boil that kettle. This thing's not going to give up today. Good job I got all that painting done yesterday, ain't it? That was a bit of luck. Run out of brown paint, so that's why she started greenhouse, but then she was working up this side, but obviously run out of brown paint. So I've ordered some more. Oh, by the way, on the plot front, Carol's third on the list now, so she shouldn't be long. Just trying to find somewhere to sit. So she shouldn't be long, and she'll be at top at list. So then she'll be able to take that side over then. But there's always a but on here. If I give it up, then she has to start paying rent, but I've already paid the rent and it's gone up a lot this year, so I wouldn't mind if it was 25 quid like it used to be, but it's gone up a lot. So I paid that rent in advance, me. So then I'd just lose that rent. Now I'm not normally bothered about it, it's only pence to me, but it's pence to anybody. But no, I'm not doing it. So what she has to, they know she's on here and she can treat it as her own. Do what she will with it, as long as it's within the rules. And Bob's her uncle next March, when rents are due, she can just put her name on it and she'll be on it, so she'll stay at top at list until that time comes round that she can get onto that, which is next March. For some reason, I just let her have it down, put her name on it, and that's it. But them's the rules. So there you go. Anyway, I'm going to have that broomy and then I'm bobbing off. We'll have 2 more new tyres up there because I had 2 on yesterday. 168 quid I think for 2 tyres. Because I needed 1, but they all need the matching on a Land Rover. Especially when you tow that caravan. I'll go away in July with it. So because I got two on front, they were matching when I went home and I was leaned over the fence on the sig. I saw that there was exactly the same as the back tyres, but the back tyres was a lot lower, the tread, nearly up to tread mark. So Shirley's bought the second. I bought them yesterday, so Shirley said I'll buy you two for back. So we've chucked in front and back, because we both pulled that caravan, so we both have to safe anyway. So that was good, wasn't it? Got a good missus, me. Right, see you tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. We'll find something, as long as weather's not like this. See, I'm not flying a drone anyway. See you later.